In this part of the course, virtual bodies or how beauty is being automated and the self is something to be edited. I'll be talking to my colleague Julia Coffey and about her big project on young people, particularly young women, using selfie apps and how this engages with beauty standards and the way that makes them feel. So in the first, we'll be talking about aspects of automating beauty, and then in the second part, we'll be talking about the notion of gazing back that Julie and I have written about, both through her work on the editing the self and our shared projects on fintech. In that video, we'll be concentrating on the editing the self part. And in the third part, we're talking to Kia Hawker, who was part of Julia's research team, who actually made an editing the self app as part of her own PhD project and engaged in Julia's work as well. And we'll talk to her about how that works, what the meanings of that are, and we'll also give you a link so you can have a look at that app yourself.